No, that's fine. So first I introduce myself to the patient and then check the charts, make sure it's the correct patient, and look for the indication for bone marrow aspiration. And then once everything is done, once consent is received, then you begin the procedure. First you need to find the site, which is to find the ASIS, and then 2 centimeters posterior to the ASIS. So ASIS 2 centimeters posteriorly, which is the thick part of the bone. You do your procedure. You start it by cleaning the region 3 times in a circle. First one, second time, which is smaller than the radius is usually smaller than the first time, and then the third time, it's even smaller than the second time. So once that's done, you need to prepare yourself. You open the package via gloves. You need to drape the patient, which is to take the drape and place it on the location of the puncture. And then you need to prepare your syringes. One is for the dry tap, the other is heparinized. So what you do is you take heparin, and you wash it with heparin, and then you discard the heparin so that a tiny amount remains. This is one. The second tube you take a bit out, and the third needle you use lidocaine. 2 milliliters of lidocaine, and then you inject the site. So you first start subcutaneously, and then as you go in, suck out to make sure there's no blood coming out. Then you inject. Keep going until you reach the bone surface where it's hard, so it won't penetrate. And then you inject it into the periosteum. Then take it out. Done. And then you take the needle, and then you go clockwise and counterclockwise until you reach the bone marrow. And once it's fixed, you can take this out, do a dry tap where you suck out up to 1 to 3 milliliters of bone marrow. Then you prepare, give it to your
Point 1
assistant.
to point 2.
Yeah, point 1 to point 3, sorry. To prepare the slide. And then you take the heparinized needle. Do you remove this? Do we remove this?
Yeah, we remove that. Yeah.
Remove that? And then take and then fill 3 tubes for gene testing, chromosomal karyotype testing, and for cytology testing. And the 4th one if you need to do blood tests. And then once that's done, you need to take the gauze, take it out, and then hold it for 2 minutes. Once that's done, you need to clean the site again, and then a fresh towel, and you twist. Done.
So then,
Yeah, slide, right? So you have the sample here. Get a glass slide. Get here. Then this is the slide you're going to smear on, right? So now you keep here and you got this.